abantu abazi ukuthi uMaponga is a 666.
Hayibo, usho ukuthini manje?
Yes, 666 lo muntu.
uMaponga.
Yeah, khona le game abayidlalayo kuma podcast. Yabona? So uzobona uMaponga 666, ubone uRolisang 666. Yabona?
Hayibo, which Rorisang? The woman of God.
When I was taken to hell, I could see ukuthi lapha there are few women, but ikubela amadoda.
In the hell.
And then it's only black people.
Hayibo, only black.
Yeah, it's only black people.
In hell.
Yeah, in hell.
Sure.
Ngoba manje njengoba la muntu lo wa take over wase ukhohlisa abantwana abamnyama ukuthi ucreate bona wa create nomhlaba neheaven. Kanti next wenze icoup and then take over and dethroned our mother on earth. Yabona? So umama bekafisa ukuthi ngabe abantwana bakhe bakhululekile from long time ago.
Okay.
But into beyimhlula ukuthi umama these prophets bebabathatha bayosebenzela ngale.
Ungazibulali saphelele sonke. Mfowethu, dadewethu, amehla akagcwele inyembezi. Ameva ohlangabezene nawo empilweni, ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni. Miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni. Bona usaphilelani emhlabeni. Imihla namalanga kuvela okubi esigebeni. Labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni. Inkingo onazo siphunyukile esifubeni. Akekho ongazezweni. Uthulele bezidla ngase ematafuleni. Ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki. Ngisho senkonzweni usile kodwa kusakhonzeki. Ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki. Ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile. Imicabango yakho iphazamisekile. Amaphupho akho adukile. Usuphila impilo ongayithandile. Imisamo yonke uyivakashelile. Imali igcina iphelile kodwa akukho kulungile.
Greetings bafowethu, ngiyabingelela. Welcome like I ku Gifted Media. You know I'm always booming with the boom content. Bafowethu, you know I'm your favorite one, uGift Mabunda. If not yet your favorite, please guys, make sure you click the button and subscribe and make me your favorite person. Bafowethu, I would like also to appreciate you. You're always making sure that you are supporting this young man. You're always making sure ukuthi you watch, you comment, you share, you refer others. Ukuthi hey, asambeni siyobuka i-boom content. There is a young man there, igama lakhe nguGift. He makes sure that he comes with a different guest, different opinion, different revelation, different vision, so that ingekho into engabuzwa. We make sure that we ask everything okufanele sibuze. So guys, I really appreciate you. You're always making sure ukuthi ninathi like her. By the way, also I just want to pass the info from our sponsors. There is a school lapha Pine Town for grade 8 and grade 9. So guys, if you have umntwana or that you want to register, ama registration avulekile. Make sure you take information evelayo la kupena grade 8 and 9. Pine Town is being long now. Nasi isikolo bafowethu thathana abantwana nibayiseni khona. It's registered in the Department of Education. So akusona scam lesiya. It's a great school, and if you want to pass, being struggling from primary, make sure you reach a Pine Town High School. And as well, if you want to journal, you want to put your picture there, please make sure your beautiful journal. So festives, but also I want to say Happy Christmas for you. Enjoy with your family. So if you want to design any journal, make sure you also contact my post like sister to have ama journals. And as well, if you want to install fiber, Wi-Fi, please make sure you contact Grace lapha kule number evelayo kule pen. And also, as Gifted Media TV, if you want to do videograph and photograph, Tina, as Gifted Media, we are available to any event. If you want to do advert, ad, anything that you want to do. And also, for you people who are artists, if you want to do a music video, any location, gospel, hip hop, kwaito, jazz, any music video that you want to do, please make sure you touch personally me, Gifted Media TV, on the number that's showing on the screen. WhatsApp. I want to do advert. And also, if you want to be a guest, you want to share your story, might be a painful story, kodlengula unenkinga thizeni, you want to expose anything, your family, witchcraft, jealousy, anything you want to expose, please make sure you touch iGifted Media, inamba ikhona lapho ku-WhatsApp as well. And bafowethu, as you know, ngiyenza sure ukuthi angihlali ngedwa kulesi situlo. Ngiyenza sure I go somewhere and wait for somebody engizohlala naye phakathi kwethu. And if umuntu nimthandile nithi gift mfowethu sicela upart 2, ngiyenza sure ukuthi ngiyanilethela part 2. Ngicela ningishayelele izandla for that by telling me where are you watching us from. Whenever you're watching us from, usemotweni, Cape Town, KZN, Durban, Mpumalanga, please guys, let us know on the comment section where you watching us from. By the way, let me welcome the man, the general. Today I don't know how to introduce you, the chef, the caterpillar. I don't know how to call you, say the demon himself. How are you, sir?
Hayi ngiright gift kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Hayi.
Ikuphethe kanjani episode ama comment from last time?
Angwafundanga ama comment abantu abangiscreenshothelayo so yeah. Hayi so mina hayi.
Bayathi-screenshothela abantu baya-extendela.
Hey, abantu bayakuthuka la. Hayi mina ukuthuka vela akuna problem.
Awusabi ukuthuka?
Into engayifuni threat.
Sure.
Angizwani ne-threat yeah. So that's why nale system lena esebenzayo le kaGod le bayuza ama-threats too much yabona.
Okay.
So that's why mhlambe nje bengenza mina nabathi yenza lokhu ngiphambane nabo. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Mfowethu awusithathe usibeke straight to your intro abantu abaqala ukubona maybe bayibukelanga leya episode to tell ukuthi ngubani buyaphi nendawo.
Oh hayi mina nguJabulani Samuel Mgcina, the Antichrist prophet, the prophet of our mother the moon, the creator of all black people on earth. Yeah.
The Antichrist prophet.
Yeah, umkhululi.
Eish, umkhululi.
Yeah, ngizokhulula abantu mina.
Yesh, baboshiwe abantu.
Yeah, bathumela uMoses mama, athi isikhathi saka Moses manje sikhululeke.
So you are Moses of this time.
Yeah.
Sure.
Hayi Moses of this time. iBhayibheli lalikhuluma ngathi.
Oh.
Lalikhuluma ngento ze future. Hayi akuna past la.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get
Ayikho into enzakalele lapha.
Hayi nakithi ngiyalibheka mina manje angisho ngibani nokunginika ama scriptures ugogo. Ata ubheke lapha ukuthi uthini. Ngithi ngiyalibheka
kuBhayibheli.
Khuluma ngento vele ezokwenzeka. Yeah. Kuthi lo muntu wayekhuluma ukuthi kuzokwenzeka kanje. Hayi ukuthi lento yenzeka. Lento ya prophet wakudala ukuthi kuzoba nje.
Sure.
So ngiyabona ukuthi hayi nethi amagama athi Samuel, Moses adlale ngamagama. Asho sigebengu lo muntu.
Sure. Asithathe sibeke today awufaka ngale dressing esijwayele. At least inkanyezi siyayazi uyichazile last time ukuthi eyali inkanyezi and stuff. But today ngibona sekufake omunye ucross lapha ya already. Akajwayelekile lo cross lo.
Yilo bekufake ringini. Yilo uka left. Yeah.
Oh, this is for ihamba ne ring.
Yeah, as long on the left hand side. Yeah, because the witchcraft there will start on the left.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this is the protection against that witchcraft. Yeah.
Akusiyo le cult le. Because angithi uyazi ukuthi kunamaring maningi lamaring la. Kunamaring abafundisi abathwele ama businessmen. Akusiyo le cult.
Yazi benze njani labantu? When they reveal about themselves, yabona. Bayarevealela ukuthi this sign this sign that. So nabaqeda ukunirevealela and then base bantshela ukuthi Jesus Christ bese bafuna ukunifaka lapha ku scroll lapha ukuthi niyohlanjwa. But ezinye izinto ngama signs ulo umama the moon uthi those signs actually they belong to us as black people. So laba bebasebenzisa lama signs to be successful. We cult yabo bafihla for themselves. Yabona? So they only reveal these signs once umuntu decide to join the 666. Bese bayamtshela ukuthi imfihlo leyo ungayivezi. Yabona? So uthe umama for witchcraft yabo laba bebayisebenzisa all along. So thina ngabe kuya ngaye, ngabe since sesithethe stiliza yonke into. But what no, angeke stilize yonke into. Into esizoyenza nje sizosebenzisa lama signs against bona.
Okay.
Yabona? Yeah. Ngoba manje abantu sebazowazi lama signs. Ayeza kancane. Yabona? So nalesi ke size siphelele kanje, saqala kancane as a cross of life, sakhula sakwaba yilento i-Star of David. Manje ke sekule Trinity of Trinities le esasisebenzisa umama Sabusa la ezweni, yabona. Ngoba umama ubuse la ezweni for 930 years. So that's why eBhayibhelini lakhe athi Adam died at the age of 980. Yabona. So Adam angisho it's our mother. So yena ikhuphu uyenze after 930 up until now. Yabona. So umama ubuse only 930 years. Umama, our mother the moon. Ambiza uAdam. Yabona. So since ke wathatha lapho ngoba yena ngishilo na last time but ngizoyiphinda naleyo ukuthi the universe is about the positive ne negative. And then the kingdom of light, the kingdom kamama the moon. Yabona. Our father the sun, and ourselves the star on earth. So that's why we are a light, because the moon is the light, the star is the light, the sun is the light. So yena is the negative kingdom of darkness. Creature yake ilwane. He owns the kingdom of darkness. He's a dog who created all the animals. In heaven there is earth, there is heaven. So yena uthe manje nakalento nakenza lekhuphu wathi yena I created the earth and heaven. He's a liar. Yabona, what I created the earth and the heaven. Wasala uyabusa la. Since abuse from that 930 years up until now, it's more than 2000 plus years. Yabona. So that's why umama ke angitshela ezinye izinto ukuthi before lo muntu take over on earth, there was no sin vele on earth. Uye oze nesono la on earth. Yabona. So uthi nakeza nesono yase i-earth become i-Sodom and Gomorrah. Yabona. So naka take over utshintsha izinto eziningi ke nathi saba nesono kwase kuyamoshakala ngoba umama uthi yena ngombuso wakhe i-prophet yayi-one for 50 years. You can't be a prophet until you reach 50. But at the age of 40, from 41 to 49, it's a training. Uguti, they prepare you. Uguti, by the time you turn 50, that's when actually the universe is going to recognize you as a prophet. So that's why you get our enemies, laba izukulwana zaka Cain, zaka Kain. Lezi zahlabu Abela le. Lezi abo Shembe nabo Lkhanyane, i-bloodline ka Cain. So that's why benza sure ukuthi bayayazi this trinity ekumele take over after 50 years. So they attack only the prophet. Ngoba kuba it's a queen who represents our mother the moon. Bese kubuya kuba is the sun. Okay, the sun is represented by the prophet.
Okay.
And then the star is the king. So always they take over after 50 years. Lama chosen ones lao. So bona benzani, they attack only the spiritual person, the prophet. The prophet nabai attacker between the ages of 40 and 41. Ilapho ke balwela khona ukuthi le prophet le which belongs to the kingdom of light. Nabayithatha bafuna ukuthi by the age of 50 nase i-universe recognize the prophet. He recognizes the prophet as a prophet who's working for the kingdom of darkness. So all these years, for more than 2000 years, they've been successful to do that. So now kwase kuba i-10 yami ke ukuthi ngibuye ngize ngibe kule trinity le. Mina I'm the prophet of this trinity. Is going to take over and rule the earth. So nagimi ke since last ngeke ngayikhuluma kancane bazamile. So just because this time they failed ukuthi mina I turned 50 this year 2025 ne?
Okay.
Yeah, I turned
50 years.
Yeah.
Sure.
So mina ngaturn 50 it means they've been defeated.
Okay.
Ngoba the universe I changed the the Jubilee cycle, the universe now recognizes me as the prophet of the kingdom of light. So by so doing, it means their kingdom now is dead. That's why it is now the end of the world.
Sure.
Because the world was actually all about sacrifice. And then abantu beba sacrifice on earth are those who are called the sheep, the Jesus. Abantwana baga mama the moon, only the blacks that gets sacrificed by this God. So that's why when I was taken to hell, I could see ukuthi lapha there are few women, but madoda.
In the hell.
And then it's only black people.
Bible. Only black.
Yeah, it's only black people.
In hell.
Yeah, in hell.
Sure.
Sure. Ngoba manje njengoba la muntu lo wa take over wase ukhohlisa abantwana abamnyama ukuthi ucreate bona wa create nomhlaba neheaven. Kanti next wenze icoup and then take over and dethroned our mother on earth. Yabona. So umama bekafisa ukuthi ngaba abantwana bakhe bakhululekile from long time ago.
Okay.
But into beyimhlula ukuthi umama these prophets bebabathatha bayosebenzela ngale. So Trinity can't work when it's only our mother the moon, our father the sun. Kusho sekuyithule akusasi Trinity. And then our mother the moon and our father the sun are only spiritual. So if bafuna ukwenza izinto on earth, they need a body, they need a someone ukuthi bakwazi ukwenza izinto on earth. And then even the devil himself, God, naye can't do anything on earth ngoba naye uspiritual. Yabona? So abantu kade basebenzisa for that ushembe nolkhanyana. So ibody yabo ilaba. So that's why ke umama athe manje since she's got someone ukuthi aqhumane naye on earth. So uzosebenzisa lo muntu loyo to defeat labantu laba, the kingdom of darkness on earth. And then that's why athi mina mele ngibambe lethule. Ngabamba lethule lo spiritual, she's got nothing to do on earth. He can't do anything. Sure. Manje vele since siqedile kahle kahle ngoNkulunkulu ngoshembe.
Okay.
Yeah, we have taken over, but it's just spiritual. Yeah, we are ruling the earth now.
There are many people who believe Kwashembe. How can you say you have taken over?
Abantu bakhohliswa. So that's why even when nangithuka ngiya-understand man sibuyaphi. Nami bengikhohlisiwe njengoba ngisho. Izinto ziqala ukuchintsha when I finished ngithi i-training yami around September last year. And then I started to connect manje ngithola amaqiniso ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani. Size silana yabona.
Sure.
So ngiyaba-understand abantu bazongithuka. But mina, I know who I am. And I know where I'm going. So mina I will just focus kule calling yami ukuthi ngizokwenzani la on earth. Gift akekho umuntu oze la on earth kuzovakasha.
Okay.
Yeah. Umuntu uze ukuthi lana azo-answera i-calling yakhe. So manje it is actually a sin to our mother ukuthi people they come on earth and then they leave before time. Yabona? Umama ukuthi nakakulethe emhlabeni kumele uzo finish up lento le owazalelwa yona. So laba benzani, they cut your lifespan on earth very short. So my since we have taken over, kumele abantu sibatshele ukuthi kuze nina lo muntu anganithathi earlier, nina you must do as we are telling you, so that you can be safe. Ngoba nina akamanje akuthathe, you must agree with your tongue, with your weight, and say, I am the sheep, I am Jesus, I am the prey. So ngibambile since bongihanda. So now you can take me to hell.
Sure.
Yeah. So that's why they say Jesus is the gate. When you pray, you must say Jesus. Abathakathi. Yeah. So it is actually a sin to our mother ukuthi abantwana bakhe bahambe bayele hell. They don't finish the course on earth. So now we are go hell, we are kolota la on earth.
Okay.
So that's why abantu they reincarnate. And umuntu mustn't reincarnate. Now hamba ulento maybe bo celebrate 40 years on earth. Uyale go hell and serve him day and night until 40 years iphele bese uyahamba wena uyakumama in the sky. Umama nakafika la uyakuthethisa athi lento bezele la ezweni awuyenzanga. So kumele ubuye. But abantu ke abazazi ngoba na ubuya it's not fair ukuthi ubuye ukuthi bozazi bokwenzani. You must come in a new body.
Okay.
Yabona. So abantu most abazo share this earth before time yilaba beze uzocomplete what they didn't complete before. Yabona. So uzibona kanjani ukuthi wena ubuya kwesingakhi la?
Sure.
Okay, let us khuluma nge-reincarnation ukuthi wena gift uzibona kanjani ukuthi mina on earth it's not the first time.
I want to be there. Ngeke ngaphila kulo mhlaba.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ubona anginike i-day of birth yakho. Your
28
day, the
April.
2 digits,
28 April.
Okay, gift 28.
28 April.
Yo. Okay, we are April. Sebenza le 2 digits le.
Okay.
Kusho ukuthi wena gift you are coming here on earth for a second time. This is your third time. That means you must do good this time. It's a must. Yabona.
So which
The
means
2 no, the first digit indicates ukuthi wena so buya kwesingakhi on earth. Mina i-date yami it's 0404. Lo 0 indicates ukuthi it's the first time I come on earth.
Oh.
Yeah. Kwaba no 1. 14, let's say. It means I'm coming back for a second time on earth.
Babukeli bethu while asaqhubeka uMr la please let's hear from you when it's your birthday. I think this is an opportunity also to hear uzalwa nini wena i-date yakho. Just write your date and your month there kuma comment section. Maybe yes, sometimes you might be not comfortable about it. So also let's just engage. Let's engage, show that you are engaged. Let's hear your date. Uzalwa nini from 1 to uzalwa nini, which month as well ozalwa ngayo. Yes, you can continue, sir.
Yeah, and then the second digit, uthe wena 28.
Yes.
So lo 8 indicates ukuthi wena when you leave this earth, you won't see the 9th month. You won't see September. So between 1 and 8, that's when you are going to leave this earth. Yabona. Lezi zinto lezi zisebenza only if you belong to the kingdom of light. Now usebenza ngala anytime is tea time. Yabona. So ukuhamba ezweni it mustn't be something that is said. And abantu akumelanga bafihlelwe ukuthi bahamba nini. Kumele wazi ukuthi ngiyahamba nini. So mina ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyahamba 2061.
Mona 86.
Yeah, ngiyahamba 2061. So ngiyazi ukuthi between January, February, March and April ngizohamba. Angeke ngimbone umA. Yeah. Yabona.
Sure.
So akumelanga ukuthi kube imfihlo leyo. Yabona.
Uyazi ukuthi uzohamba ngani, uyazi ukuthi yini ezokukhipha emhlabeni or uyovela uhambe nje.
Emhlabeni kahle akumelanga silale, walala uyahamba.
Hayibo.
Yeah, before kusarula umama. Umuntu omnyama kade ngalala. Umuntu omnyama since ngitshelile ukuthi umuntu omnyama it's a battery. The battery li rechargewa isun. Yabona. So that's why sebathi manje we lack, it's a battery that lacks. Yabona sebasibiza ngama blacks. It's because basingalali before. Bophila waya ungalali kulala into ulala naso sohamba.
Hayibo.
Besine energy enkulu kakhulu ngoba ilanga emini yilo leli lisi-rechargeayo thina as a battery. Yabona. So ilanga naselinyamalele ilento lento le energy ihlala ikhona until lize libuye ilanga futhi sithuke sesivele si-recharge ngoba manje silala nje namhlanje ukuthi le battery leli silithela ngamanzi. So bese lilenza senzeni sibe tired.
Sure.
That's why umama athi besingamelanga swaphuza amanzi ngomlomo. Ngoba amanzi futhi on earth they were not supposed to be on top of the surface of the earth. Bewangaphansi. Thina ngokuhamba nje lapha ngenyawo zethu. Nama roots wethu beswathola amanzi enough. Yabona? So inkinga yaqala lento leyo ukuthi manje lo agubhe la ngaphansi. Kwase kuba namadamu, kuba namasea. Yabona? So that's why today we have a rain. It's because ilamanzi on top of the surface of the earth. Ngoba ilanga nalishisa and then lezinto lezi zifoma icloud lephezulu. And then that's why there's a rain. That's why mama athi rain is witchcraft. Yeah.
Rain is what?
It's witchcraft.
Oh, to have imvula mayini.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thina besiphila ngama-plants. Ama-plants yiwo lawa kade enziwa yini? Isihlahla. Yabona? And uthi mama thina besidla once in 3 days. Sihlale sisuthi. Yabona? So ama-plants enziwa isihlahla, they not need amanzi from the top. So lamanzi lawa enza ama-fruits wethu namhlanje ayabola. It's because of this witchcraft, rain. Yabona? So isihlahla sidinga ukuthi sinithisele.
Hayibo.
Si-draw lamanzi underneath. Yabona? So yabona even na creation thina sa createwa i-dust thina nesihlahla. Yabona?
Okay.
So ukuze thina siphefumule ilanga, ngaphandle kwelanga gift angeke uphefumule. Ilanga liphethe impilo zethu ngoba ilanga lishisa lamanzi lawa ngaphansi underground. And then uthi ugogo kuze siphefumule lenza njalo lishisa lamanzi bese lamanzi lawa nawavela on the ground avela as a vapor. So thina saqala ukuphefumula kanjalo that vapor. Even namanje siyaphefumula kanjalo. Manje bona bazokutshela ukuthi nifundele esikoleni photosynthesis amanga wabo ukuthi thina nezihlahla abafundi nje ukukhuluma nesana. Angeke baze bayisho into enhle ngesana. Yabona? So siphefumula nje is because lelanga leli lichisa lamanzi nevapor. Bese ukuthi lelanga naseselihambile into yenza lento lamanzi ukuthi ahlala achisa abe ivapor. It's a coal. Yabona? Esenza ukuthi i-coal is responsible ngoba ibamba lokuchisa. Bese amanzi aba ile vapor siyaqhubeka siyaphefumula. Yabona? Yeah. So lo mbhemi lo udog the god weza la wafika nenkohliso enkulu kakhulu ngoba thina sisebenzisa u3. So thina sisebenzisa i-triangle. So yena uthi naka take over waqala wasebenzisa ini i-square. So yonke into yakhe i-square. So that's why wenza ukuthi thina silale. Usithola kakhulu ngalobuthakathi bakhe usithola nasilele. Ngoba nasilele thina sihamba sa ku spiritual realm. Yabona? So yonke into yakhe ayenzayo ufuna ukuthi thina sifloat. Basifaka icathulo, uyasazi ukuthi thina sifana nomama, si double impact. Si uncukumbili. Yabona? Thina si spiritual and physical. Yabona? Umama naye uncukumbili ngoba yini? Umama kahle kahle during the day uyilanga. And then during the night uba imoni. Sifana naye. Yabona?
Okay.
Yeah. Thina umuntu omnyama kumele azi ukuthi here on earth nabakhuluma nge-human being, they are talking about the black person. And then the other races are animals who came with this dog. Yabona? Njengoba ngitshelile ngalesini le yenzeka le ukuthi the other races kuze babe available on earth, it's because the dog slept with our sisters. And then they produced this animal with 2 legs. uNkulunkulu, the dog, is the creator of animals, but uNkulunkulu wayehluleka ukwenza i-animal with 2 feet. So abosisi bethu the way ba dangerous ngakhona benza into eyahlula i-creator. Yabona? Benza isilwane esinenyawo eziyi-2. lento bekayifuna ngoba kade afuna vele ukuthi enze isilwane sisekala enze isilwane esifana nathi na create ama-bubbles nama-apes usho kanjalo umama but wahluleka and then wasebenzisa lezi opportunity ukuthi akhohlise laba in the Garden of Eden walala nale nje yeah then kwase vela lesilwane lesi ezisiphethe la abantwana bakheke labo balazi iqiniso ukuthi kahle kahle bayizitsha yabona we are the only human beings on earth yabona
abantu bakamama
yeah abantu abamnyama umuntu omnyama is the only human being on earth yabona so laba yilwane laba so laba kuze baphile impilo eright ukuthi when a black child actually is born the star of that black child is stolen and given to these people yabona and then the whites they cannot do that without the help yakashembe noLkhanyana yabona so lento yakashembe noLkhanyana yiyo lento ecreate ukuthi sibe nabantu esingababiza ngokuthi ama wolves in a sheep skin ngoba thina describe as a sheep yabona so these wolves ilabantu abafana nathi but abasiyithi they are reptiles inside so uShembe noLkhanyana akusiya abantu abamnyama umlungu abelungu laba
hayi bukanje
abelungu deep inside abelungu
uShembe wakakhumalo nje
it's a wolf in a sheep skin
uLkhanyane uyezwa lekhanyana akusigama
ngaphakathi isilwane akasimuntu yeah so labantu laba babaqedile ke abantu abamnyama ngokuthi benzani they sell the souls of black people to this god who's a dog yabona so benza lento lena eyenziwa uthi gogo yenziwa lento yaqalwa umkhulu wabomkhulu wabo uNkulunkulu nje lo selimbiza uNkulunkulu manje lo bathi uKayini uCain lo who sacrificed uAbel yabona uAbel was the first person uAbel ugogo uthi uAbel no Jesus Christ is the same thing yabona so uCain was sacrificer was the first person to sell his soul to the devil so wase ulento uGod demand a sacrifice and then lo was sacrifice abantu Abel and namanje uAbel umsacrifice rand ukuthi uAbel is worshiping naye idevil ngokuthi kade amhlabela imbuzi yabona yeah so ngokuthi kade belonga kuye ke ulento kade worship idevil and then wakhona kanjalo ke ulento uCain ukuthi sacrifice uAbel and Abel became the first person ukuthi ayoboshwa kulejele lakhe le underneath hell but also a first person ukuthi enze this miracle angisho yena is a sorcerer is a magician ukuthi ashiye le body le familiar spirit kube sengathi uAbel njengoba hambila ele hell ushiye umzimba la ngoba uAbel was worshiping the devil but he didn't sell his soul to the devil because what deceive azange asishelo yena ukuthi lento ukhohlisiwe njengoba kade worship kuthiwa worship idlozi njengani ukuthi worship idlozi yabona so ngokuthi akade amhlabela then wakhona ukumthatha wenjalo so Abel was the first person to go to hell and then Cain was the first person to sell his soul to the devil the first 666 so wambonga ngani ke uNkulunkulu wathi lo njengoba he's the first person black person ukuthi avume vele angijoin so uthe nakafa ngoba yena manje Cain was a black person as well naye kahle akawushiya umzimba nakahamba la ezweni yabona but because he exchanged a white cloth wathi mina ngiyangale umnyameni and then nawenza kanjalo your spiritual guide leaves you spiritual guide yiso lesesenza wena ukuthi ube spiritual uyabona ungashiyi ibody la so sahamba yena wasala nani the reptilic spirit nale spirit senyoka sakaSathane so it means now sekafana nani nesilwane total nakafa vele ufa kanjalo ushiya umzimba
okay
so umoya wakhe ke nase ubola lapha uba ile nyoka le wamenza ukuthi abe uNkulunkulu wabantu uyabona ngoba manje iaim yakhe ukuthi abambe abantu ngapha ababambe nangapha abantu bekapromota kakhulu ilento i-African spirituality leyo yokuhlabela amadlozi, yabona. So wabona ukuthi abanye abantu abahlabi abamhlabeli igazi, abamworship. So that's why I introduce lento kaNkulunkulu, I introduce iChristianity. Ukuthi wena ungangworship, ungangihlabeli igazi, then wena you must declare yourself as a sheep yourself. You must be Jesus Christ man. Kumele ngihlabe wena ke ngoba uyenzi lento ngifuna ukuthi yenziwe la emhlabeni wami.
Sure.
So yaqala lapho ke iChristianity ukuthi umuntu omnyama as declare as a sheep so that he could be sacrificed by this God and taken to hell and lied with that person has died, yabona. Because now sala lesithombe sakho lesi bese songcwatshwa lapha. Lesithombe sakho sazi yonke into yakho ngawe gift.
Sure.
Lesithunzi sihlala sihamba nawe. Lesihlala sikupimpa lena uconsult ukuthi wena uzokwenzani ezangomeni. Yiso lesithunzi lesi. Yiso lesithunzi lesi uthi na usibheka emirrorini. Yiso lesi ukuthi wena na uhambile siba i-arch rival yakho as an ancestor sisale la. That's why wena na uphakamisa u-right siphakamisa u-left sakusho ukuthi I'm your rival. Wena wahamba wena mina ngasala la njengedlozi. Yabona. Mara phakathi kwalomzimba lo kuba ile spirit leso ke senyoka. Nasesiphenduka ke lapha sichiswe ilanga besathi baba sunezani fakela lesilwane sami tombstone nina nazi spend about 50,000 ngithenga ama tombstone ngithengela inyoka.
So izithombe lezi lapha emathuneni.
Ile mimoya usebenza ngamathuna, yabona, usebenza ngeHoly Spirit. So usebenza ngeHoly Ghost. iHoly Ghost uNkulunkulu wakhona, uNkulunkulu waboShem uKayini, Holy Ghost, yabona. So yonke into about holy, it's about the spirit of the graves. Yeah.
So do you know how to meaning upelika holy? They show something.
Yeah, holy is a Shem spirit of the graves. Yena ukhohlisile mina ngisakhohliswanga manje sengazi wonke amaqiniso that's why ngiwabeka pa. Yeah, umama uyangitshela ukuthi hayi ba busy holy this holy that. Yabona. So that's why kune holy ash namhlanje.
Sure.
The ash yani yomuntu ochisiwe. The spirit of the grave. Yabona. So lezo spirit lezo yizo asebenza ngaso ezweni. Yabona. Yizo le spirit ezilawulwa aboshembe nabolkhanyane for witchcraft.
Sure.
Yeah. So nge-witchcraft yakhe wachinja le triangle ke leyo thina sisebenzisa i-trimester, bona basebenzisa i-rectangle, i-square, the matter, yabona. So ngale matter lena ka-controller wena gift, it's like i-box, a cube. So umuntu omnyama xa umuntu uyazicontrol, umuntu omnyama akazicontrol.
Sure.
So ukuza kufaka icathulo wena uya in this cube uphakathi la. So yonke into yenzayo gift icontrolwa yibo. You are not in control, yabona. So kuba yilama archangel of darkness ke. In front udonswa uLord uRaphael. At the back ulandelwa ubani uGabriel. And then on the right uphethwe ubani uMichael. On the left uphethwe uUriel. Yabona. So basebenzisa ama elements ke alento ahlukile. uRaphael usebenzisa i-element of the air. And ama colors wakhe avamise kwasebenzisa for i-air. Basebenzisa kakhulu ilento. It's green. It's green and yellow for Raphael, for ama colors wakhe. And then bese uthi uGabriel it's usebenzisa ilento, i-element, i-water spirit, i-water spirit. Witchcraft yamanzi isiphethwe uGabriel. And then banokusebenzisa ama colors wabo is silver and blue.
Okay.
Yeah. And then on the right hand side kuba uLord uMichael usebenzisa i-element ye-fire. So ama colors wakhe kuba yi-red, gold or yellow. Yabona. And then on the left hand side kuba uUriel, yena is the earth. So that's why yonke into yabo icala on the left. Basebenzisa kakhulu on the left Uriel, the earth, because yonke into yabo kumele iqale on the ground. So ama-colors wakhe it's usually abo brown or gold kumhlaba. Yeah, basebenzisa lezo zinto lezo, yizo lezi zinto lezo ezilawulayo. So then umama wathi ke abantu kuze bahlule leyo witchcraft, abantu must stop consulta. Abantu must be independent. Must teach people ukuthi they mustn't be dependent ngoba that kingdom ilento ifundisa abantu ukuthi babe dependent. So what mama, let's teach people ukuthi babe independent ngoba lento yolento yokuhamba le baya uchecka izangomeni inini babuya nespirit eziningi zibabangela inkinga ngoba uguliswa ispirit esinye and then awuya kulomunye unesinye ispirit, le spirit lesa siyakusiza siqosha lokugula kwalesa spirit lesa but asihambi siyahlala naso. Yabona senzelani ukuthi manje lesangoma lesa nasifuna imali bese kumele sikhose iproblem la kuwe lo, kumele manje uhambe, yabona uyoconsulta futhi, so uyoconsulta ungaqedi. So abantu must learn ukuthi bangasayi kwelento. The only thing that defeats witchcraft is this sign.
Okay.
The kingdom of darkness,
They fear that sign.
yeah,
Okay.
lezi zinto zaza ama-signs ilanguage yazo. So nababona le sign le bayazi ukuthi kumele bangangeni lapho, yabona. So that's why in most cases nakunama floods, just like the last flood in the Eastern Cape, about 80 people abahamba abashona ne. Those 80 people, why abantu bangazibuza ukuthi why only blacks? It's because abantwana bakhe, they use these signs to protect themselves from ama-floods. Ngoba ziyazi ukuthi lama spirits lezi zisebenza ngama-floods angeke zize lakithi, yabona, if we use this sign, yabona. So it's all about the signs, it's all about the tongue, yabona. So wazi ukuthi i-kingdom of darkness isebenza kanjani uzoyinqoba, yabona, because there it's about ukuthi uprotect your property. In front kumele uyenze as a flag, ungenza flag or ungenza the sign ibe just face east and then face back and then on the sides. So lezi zinto lezi esisebenza lama lento abantu abagangele lama archangels lawo, once abona the sign angeke azangene. And even ebusuku usually ngiyanotice ukuthi now protect all the sides. Ebusuku basebenzisa i-roof, yabona. So nali roof phakathi you must put the sign libe straight forward, yabona le ndaba le. So yiyo lento leyo, just angeke kwenze next witchcraft.
Mafakele sign le.
Yeah, nawufakile sign. So just because manje ilento their witchcraft start on the left. So that's why manje if ugqoke i-ring ufake yona le sign le cross, yes, a black square and a cross le ile, yabona, this side. So witchcraft yabo angeke khona ukuqala la ngo once these angels they see the sign but hayi umuntu wethu lo abisi kuwe, yabona. So witchcraft iphelela la. A witchcraft cannot be effective ngaphandle kwalama angels lawo, yabona. Ngoba if na uloywa kumele kube ne communication between your spirit and the spirits omuntu okuloyayo, and then ukuze lento leyo witchcraft iba successful kumele le spirit sakho si communicate nalama archangels lawo of darkness, and then that's when ke witchcraft is over successful, yabona. So these are 4 archangels of darkness yibo ba responsible for everything on earth, even nama accident yibo, yabona. Yeah, because nama accident it's this square, your tires, it's a portal. ama-tires angishayi 4 basebenzisa 4 angisho bona so it's a portal ukuthi bangakuwisa ngemoto nabathanda yabona your windows yabona your seats iportal yakhona iningi because nasempahleni la kuloywa ngendaba zeimpahla your label lento oyigcokayo it is that square abasisebenzisayo
hayibo amalebula esogcoka
yabona nabathatha underwear yakho bayokuloya ukuze lento leyo ibe successful kumele manje basebenzise le portal le hayi le underwear abayithethe underwear oyigcokile kumele basebenzise that label the rectangle ukuthi lento abayenzile lapha isebenze basebenzisa leyo ke ukuthi
because une rectangle yakho
i-label
sure
kumele kusetshenziswa leyo so once vele angeke ziningi lezi angeke size simane sidabule manje yonke into yabona the only thing that we need to use put the sign on the left and then we are safe yabona
so now ifaka inama rituals that you need to do by thousands
labantu they are doing our rituals because they don't have a spiritual guide in them.
Okay.
Yabona? So yonke into yabo it's physically they are nabenza my rituals. Benza my rituals for the spirits la aba affiliated kuwo. They must do rituals because manje kumele babize lama spirits lawo. Thina sine spiritual guide. Thina senza ma rituals. So manje uzothola abantu abanjengabo ubani uMaponga lo bathi the Africanist le
Maponga
abo Maponga abantu abazi ukuthi uMaponga is a 666
hayibo usho ukuthini manje
yes 666 lo muntu
uMaponga
khona le game abayidlalayo kuma podcast yabona so uzobona uMaponga 666 ubone uRolisang 666 yabona
hayibo which Rolisang the woman of God
yebo
the one who preached
Rolisang is a 666 uMaponga is a 666
sure
so manje what they are going to do they are playing a sketch lo upromoter iChristianity yabona lo upromoter iAfrican spirituality uyayibona le ndaba le so bazo argue vele sengathi uyabona bayimele aba African spirituality bazomela uMaponga abo Christianity bazomela uLorolisang le two layers ukuthi the African spirituality and the Christianity belong to the same God the devil yabona just ukuthi manje bafuna ama souls they are looking for souls ukuthi laba kumele bajoin uMaponga ngapha nawungayifuni Christianity is either kumele uze ngapha
and you also looking the souls for umama
mina ngibuyisa ama souls
okay
ama souls dala hambile agcwele lapha and manje khamba amadoda kakhulu so amadoda ahambile lapha because of lack of knowledge yabona nami before this year bengayazi lento le so but ngithenda ngibona ngathi hey besilimele la
kuqale September ne
qale September connecta kahle nogogo
yabona mama ekulethela ama message
and around October November December ne ngicala connecta September around October November December so they taught me about manje kahle bebangithisha ukuthi the prophets of the God laba abo my God is angry laba ba Christianity ukuthi kahle bona bayithola kanjani irevelation yabo yabona so after these 3 months bebangifundisa lokho these prophets kuze bathole ama revelation they must fall asleep
hayibo
so that they can see a vision yabona so bebangifundisa lokho ke ukuthi thina asenzi njalo laba bayalala or abanye they go ukuthi kulento bayesigodlweni sabo banama spirits abawabuzayo so that's how they get ama revelations wabo yabona so then bese bayeza kini they said my God is angry my God is going to kill you because that God is the God of death yabona so they will always talk about the bad things yabona angeke baze bakutshela ngento good because their God is not good their God is wicked yabona so then ke from January ngabona ukuthi hayi gogo sayangifundisa ukuthi hayi thina senza kanje thina sisebenzisa imsindo yabona nas communicate so ama messages aqala uwezwa in brain quiet that's why
wathola kanjani ama messages
ngebrain
Okay.
Yeah, ayangena uyasibona story siyahlangana.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
mara kuthulile akuna voice. Yabona. So that's why
But i-brain ibhizi. Yeah.
yeah, i-brain ibusy. Yabona. So izihlangana indaba. So wena ucommunicate kanjani back nogogo. So mina nangifuna ucommunicate nogogo khona into engayi-understand kahle. The only thing that I do, I think. Yabona. Mara kuzoya ngogogo ukuthi uphendula nini, but wena na uhleli ucabanga lapho communicate naleyo spiritual guide sakho. Yabona. So the more you think uyakuzwa ugogo ukuthi uthini. Thulile thina singama-mute. Yabona. Kusebenza kanjalo ke. So that's why the kingdom of darkness ayifuni umuntu omnyama ukuthi acabanga. Ithi ungacabanga too much uzophathwa i-stress. Yabona. Mina ukuze ngiconnect gift kahle with my spiritual guide. July, August until September ngafasta. Yabona.
Okay.
Ngafasta i-sex ngathi I'm staying away from sex.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. Ngoba lento le sin yase Garden of Eden ingene nge-sex.
Oh.
So our only fasting as black people to reverse that sin, that is our generational curse. We need to stay away from sex. We are feeding that thing, busy sex.
Umalelana.
Yeah, we feed lesilwane lisa. Yabona. So mina nga decide ukuthi out of the blue nga decide mina ukuthi hey,
No more.
le sex akiyibe kancane man.
Okay.
Yabona. Ngema ke ngangayenzi sex, but manje what became interesting ukuthi nangiyeke sex manje sengiqala ukuba nama dreams ama spiritual wife. And then lezi zifuna ungenzisa
Uyavukelwa nokuvukela.
yeah, lezi zinto lezi why is serious kangaka sifuna nge-sex ukuthi nangayenzi physically kumele ngiyenze spiritual. Yabona. But bese ngazi manje ngifunde kakhulu man kule njengoba bengise training ukuthi ama
Kule
dreams
train i-darkness.
yeah darkness is trained yilaba
Okay.
for 6 years.
Okay.
Ngisho bafuna ukuswina bas trainer from 41 to 46.
Sure. In the darkness.
Abahluleka lapho. Wangena 47, 48, 49. So utrainwe kingdom of light manje. Laba sebahlulekile most ama attacks eza la the last 3 years. Izoba nzima I last 3 years. It's very difficult. Izo attack the kingdom of darkness. So asibuyele la under gift the fasting.
Sure.
Wena nawenza kanjalo uyeka isex. Lezi sifuna ukwenza isex in a dream. Yabona? So in a dream ayakho sign esebenzayo la. In the spiritual realm. Akho sign ekhona lapha ukuthi wena uzosebenzisa le sign ukuzivikela lapha. The only thing into oyenzayo in a dream angeke will stop. But kumele ucabanga ukuthi kwenzakaleni in a dream. So that's why mina into engi-advocate ukuthi nawulele wavuka ekuseni whether you saw a dream or not, the only thing that you do in the morning, you say whatever happened in the spiritual realm while I was still asleep, I defeat and I destroy.
In the name of Jesus.
Oh,
emotion.
emotion. Ngizosho njalo okay. No, asiyeke.
Yeah. So unavuka uthi ke whatever happened actually in the spiritual realm, in a dream, I destroy and I defeat everything that happened that has got to do with witchcraft, that has got to do with the kingdom of darkness. So I say, so be it. As above, so below. In the name of our mother, the moon, in the name of our father, the sun, in the name of myself, the star on earth. That dream is cancelled. Thank you, Mama. And then, ushilo ngomlomo wakho ukuthi lento le angayisebenza. So lokugcwala bafuna ukufaka kona angeke kusebenza. Yahlala le in the spiritual realm, in the physical angeke kwenzeke lokho. So whether ulele every time now uvuka ekuseni now ulele, whether ube ne dream or awune dream, the first thing that you say in the morning iloko. Ngoba sometimes bayakuvala ukuthi ungaboni ukuthi kwenzakalani la. Yabona? So izinto ezenzayo ku dream into is manifesta on earth. When wangazistophi ngomlomo wakho, those things are going to happen. Yabona? So if uzophupha gift ulento uhijackwa abantu bathi phuma emotweni baphethe ibha yabona wena uliyeke lelo dream lelo uthi hey ngiphuphile ini wangalikhanseli it's a sign lento le izokwenzeka ilapho ke spiritual guide esikusiza khona ukuthi ngezinto ezizokwenzeka yabona so kusho ukuthi kumele ukhansela wangakhanseli lento izokwenzeka kusho uvumile wena ukuthi yenzeke ngoba once kwaba nesound kwaba nevoice in a dream it means ukuthi it's a future event so wena kumele uyivale once wangabi nesound thola ukuthi uphupha uyadutshula or ini amarisa igadi izokwenza sound but once kwaba ne-event ethulile mute ingana sound it means that thing is happening now yabona kusho ukuthi khona okugadlayo manje so wena kumele uphakame ukhansele lezo zinto lezo yabona yeah thina bengamelanga silale basithole lapho endabeni zokulala yabona yeah so benza sure ukuthi nombhede silala kuwe silala ku coffin siya float yabona yeah gift angeke uzuphuphe nawulela isitulweni kwagcoka ngicathulo you will never go to the spiritual realm when once you take off your shoes nala kule floor le wabeka inyawo zakho la when you are earth nothing will happen to you so that's why even noma uthola ibhodlela kwakho egedini lobuthakathi wathatha izinduko uthi khumula icathulo take that bottle and throw it away ayikho into ezokwenzeka kuwe
kuphela nje icathulo
yeah we are grounded witchcraft ayisebenzi now grounded so that's why thina basifakisa icathulo ukuthi witchcraft yabo izosebenza yabona so ayikho
kodwa kuya ngeke isebenze ngoba unering unesiphambano
yeah ama option le ukuthi manje iground manje imoshwe yini imoshwe imvula iground is no longer soft so nasinyathela yasilimaza iyachisa ini so that's why mama athi we are not going to change anything we are going to use the signs to defeat them lama signs bebawafihlile ngizokuvezela wona tshelela abantu ukuthi manje senza kanje so no more witchcrafts siyabona so abantu abasebenzisa le signs since manje thina deala ne witchcraft sinogogo deala nalendlovu lendlovu enkulu ephethe witchcraft lena so esibhisiseka kancane abantu benza kanjani bona kumele basebenzise le sign abathakathi bane energy kabi abadeli yabona so abantu abasebenzisa le sign benza abathakathi babe useless yabona so the more umthakathi aba useless uba frustrated yabona so uNkulunkulu wabona ukuthi lo mthakathi wakhe manje is no longer effective instead athathe labantu uyothatha lo mthakathi wakhe yabona ngoba uNkulunkulu uthanda labantu laba aba evil yabona that's why gift if usonta uyesontweni amasonto manje gift almost 90% yamasonto especially laba abafundisi abathatha itithe yabona abathakathi bathwele laba ama666 so bonke labantu abalapha baloyiwe yabona so wena nawuziyela manje esontweni abantu abasesontweni manje bayazi ukuthi ba worship the devil it's no longer a secret bayazi ukuthi God is the devil yabona so bamjoine ngokuthi babone ukuthi uye lo muntu ophethe izwe yabo so wena nawuziyela nje uthi wena uyesontweni uzilungele awuhlukumeza abantu awuthakatha abantu uzokuthatha lo akabafuna abantu abanjalo so that's why ikhamba abantu abalungile the most it's because this God doesn't like people who are good to other people ufuna abantu babe evil labo uyabagcina umuntu evil uyamgcina so wena uzothi declare yourself as a sheep ukuthi akusacrifice uthatha earlier uyamnyanyisa yabona so that's why umama athi phumani emasontweni isonto akusilami
umama yena akanalo isonto
umama uthi lethami kubusa yena thina asinalutho asenzi next gift izinto zizi nalomuntu asina religion thina
okay
asina culture asikho isilwane esisihlabayo ngoba sasingekho isilwane esihlatshwayo yabona thina sasisiphilela kahle namanje nje umama uthi thina sekuyisono manje ngithi ukuthi singakhomandi lezinto ezikhona leyilwane lemimoya yezilwane lemimoya yasemathuneni ngoba uthi umama ekseni kumele ukhomande lezinto out yabona emini ukhomande lezinto out nasebusuku before ulala usenza 3 times so until this kingdom lives in 2031 lezi zinto lezi but zizophela by 2032 2033 kuzobe sengekho lo sizostopa lapho kuye ukucommanda 3 times a day okwamanje because sesiyalazi iqiniso kumele sisebenzise ini lelimi bebasilimazana ngalo ukucommanda lezi zinto out lezi zinto ziyamamela once what I defeat and I destroy and I choose those things away ziyalimamela ilimi izazi usetshenzwa ngelimi so kumele sikwenze lokho ekseni emini nasebusuku
Sure.
inkathi zethu 1 3 5 7 and 9 sithina sigcina ku9 yeah so ngama even numbers bona basebenzisa ama even numbers 2 4 6 8 10 and 12 yabona so wena awucommandi ngama even numbers because by that time ugogo ubhizi uyakuvikela and into ikhulumayo ikhuluma kulabantu ngoba labantu laba siza share isikhathi nabo they bagada itse yabona abantu ugada itse isigebenga ngisho uGod so they bagada the movement of the sun kuthi sanalila siyangena thina siyabuza isanalila siyangena that's how they dethrone umama on earth ngokuchecka imovement ngokuscout ukuthi sani nalimove la thina siyabona so that's why yeah we share with them isikhathi
Sure.
yabona
Mister,
Yeah.
I think because of time, ziningi indaba okufanele siyibreak down. Usushadile wena maybe ukhona usekuthandile la kuma comment. Unabantwana.
yazi na unelento mina nginabantwana abayi5
Okay?
different
Physical,
mothers
biological, noma bakamoya.
physical children
Okay?
yeah ngina5
Oh, unonkosikazi futhi.
unkosikazi lo ipartner mina ngaseba okay asiqalela sangihlala nelast born manje the other 4 different mothers
Okay?
yeah because now unelento now une calling gift uGod nakulawula uzokwenza ukuthi ube iCasanova the more wena uhamba ulala ngapha la ngapha uzenza isoka the more ungcolisa lo gogo ungakhona ukuconnecta naye
Oh.
yeah so when ubhizi uthi uyisoka kanti uyasingcolisa ngapha so the more you have a sex wena uphakamisa lesilwane esiphakathi kwakho uphakamisa logogo kuba weak yabona so mina ngihlala ke nomama welasboy
Okay.
yabona but indaba yokuthi ngilobole mina ngathi ngiyakazama yazi ngithi mara kumosheke ekugcineni ngiyiplane lento iyenzeka ugogo akafuni isilobole
Asivale kanjalo kufanele sibuye futhi.
bese iqeda lebo seseyiqalile bese
Asivale
ukuthi lo muntu uyenze njani indaba yemshado
ngifuna next time abantu basubscribe so that
Yeah.
next time mawubuya bazi ukuthi siyabuye. Next
Yeah.
time sithinta yani sithinta amalobolo.
yeah so thina indaba yamalobolo
Yeah.
ezinye izinto asiplane man zizovele
zivele
yeah sicoce man ngale ndaba le ngoba manje abantu kumele babuye ekhaya bakumele baye kuzenza izimo yabona baye
Bayafuna umama.
yawu mama ufuna uyabafuna abantwana bakhe abasafuni ukuthi bayele yabona njengoba ngikutshela nge-reincarnation ukuthi umama akayifuni so laba abahambayo manje ababuya njengawe ababuya kokugcina akafuni ukuthi baphinde babuyelele le
Eish.
kumele manje bahambe baye ekhaya yabona benza into right ukuthi bazokwazi bayele phezulu bangayi phansi bangafakwa ngebox phansi
Eish.
thina sina box asina
Kodwa mina sengibuya kus5 kuthi kus5 kus2.
wena ngisho no2 kusho ukuthi manje
Sengibuya kus4.
u1 kusho ukuthi you've been here before so you're coming back for a first time
Eish.
and then u2 usho ukuthi you're coming back for a second time and then kusho ukuthi uzogcina ku3 you're coming back for a third time kusho ukuthi wena njalo na uza la ku-earth awufuni kwenza into right
Angilaleli.
awumameli
Ngisola ukuthi uJesu inkosi.
uzaphinda ubuyele le and serve him day and night
Bazalwane uJesu uyinkosi sivala kanjalo. Siyabonga Mr. from Witbank.
Yeah.
Thank you so much sir. As we are closing, bafowethu thank you so much for your support. Let's hear your opinion. Sizophinda sibe naye uAntichrist akiyazi usitshela more kwenzakalani kumoshakalaphi kupho okufanele kulungiswe. We'll also have him for next time. So please guys, by doing that, let's subscribe. I'm interested ukuzwa ukuthi why kungafanele silobole. Hey, Hawu nami phela amalobola aduranga phela gijima 50,000 kuya ngale phezulu 100,000 futhi nawo ngaya ngale Eastern Cape we KZN hawu kuwest. So bafowethu please let's subscribe, let's hear you on the comment. And also as we know, if you have umntana grade 8 and grade 9 Pinetown, now my details la akhona ebhodini la screening. Now my details if unomntwana Pinetown, please make sure ujoina lesi sikole umntana wakho ama registration avuliwe manje. And also if you want to do a beautiful journal, also our sister here can design a beautiful journal for you with the picture that you want to put or message. Any picture, it's your mother, it's your dad, it's your son, it's your daughter, any picture ungakhona ukufakela yona. Even your logo can be included angayifaka phezu kwale cover. And also if you also want to shoot a music video, guys, artists, this is the opportunity for you. We are too affordable. We have especially uma ungangithita manje kulo December uthi you want to shoot a music video, any location we are available. Make sure you invite, you text me on WhatsApp if you want to do music video, any kind of music, poetry, anything you want to do. Also if you want to advertise, publish your book, make sure we are stinta as eGifted Media TV. And also if you want to be our guest, let's hear your story, sad story, anything that you want to share. Please include and put Ustinte WhatsApp. But for it, thank you so much for being with us. Make sure you click the button, subscribe, share, and like. Asikanganeni futhi kwe-episode elandelayo. Amen.
Ungazibulali saphelele sonke. Mfowethu, dadewethu, amehla akagcwele inyembezi. Ameva ohlangabezene nawo empilweni, ahlabile wafinyelela enhlizweni. Miningi imibuzo onayo engqondweni. Bona usaphilelani emhlabeni. Imihla namalanga kuvela okubi esigebeni. Labo bathembile baphelele emathuneni. Inkinga onazo siphunyukile esifubeni. Akekho ongazezweni. Uthulele bezidla ngaze ematafuleni. Ubukholwa kodwa kusathandazeki. Ngisho nesenkonzweni usuyile kodwa kusakhonzeki. Ngisho isimo sakho asabhekeki. Ithemba ubunalo lihlakazekile. Imicabango yakho iphazamisekile. Amaphupho akho adukile. Usuphila impilo ongayithandile. Imisamo yonke uyivakashelile. Imali igcina iphelile kodwa kukho